Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Patience, and if you are new here, you are very welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. In today's video, we are going to be creating a beautiful centerpiece that can be used for any events like birthdays, graduations, weddings, name it, any event, and this centerpiece is going to be perfect for it. So without any waste of time guys, let us get directly into the video. Okay, to start with, I'm going to show you the items that we are going to need for this centerpiece to be created. So keep watching guys. Okay guys, so you need your flowers, and these are the different types of flowers that I have. I have some roses. I have these dark purple roses. So I have my light lavenders. I have this one that are a little bit darker, which I spray painted in order to achieve this color, because this is what I wanted. But when I bought the flowers, it came like this. And I also have some hydrangeas in lavender and this other shade of purple, and then I have my light shade of pink. So these are the different colors that we are going to be using for our centerpiece. I also have a styrofoam here. This one is already used, but I'm going to be reusing it because it is still good. I only used it one time, and for the purpose of this video, that is why I'm going to be reusing it. It doesn't cause any harm. If you have a styrofoam that you have already used, feel free to reuse it, and it's going to give you the same effect. Alright guys, so in order to start, I'm going to get my flower stand so that it's going to help to guide me create the flower exactly how I want it to be. Alright guys, so I've gone ahead and prepared all my flowers, as you can see, and for some of them that were very short, I've decided to add the length by just using the biggest stem of the flower that I cut earlier. I've just attached my roses to them, or any flower that is short. Most of the short ones are the roses, so I just add them to this bigger stem, and then I use a tape to hold it together. So let's start building our centerpiece. I'm going to start by using my hydrangeas. I'm just using my stand so that it's going to guide me to do the right thing. So depending on how tall you want your flowers to be, that is how long your stems should go. Alright guys, so let's just keep going till we are done. Okay guys, so once I've put the first line, I'm going to add the second line, and then I'm going to put it down, because now I have my guide. I'm not sure that everything is fine. When I put it on the table, my styrofoam is not going to be exposed. So at this point, once I put the second line, I'm going to put it down because it's so tall for me to work with comfortably, and I want to be comfortable, so I'm going to put it down so that I can better manipulate it. So at this point, we are going to go in to fill all the empty spaces that we are seeing. Okay guys, so I don't know what the other side looks like, but let me look from here. Okay guys, so this is what we have. I would still love to add some more flowers so they can come like this. Right guys, so at this point you just play with it, play around until you have exactly what you're looking for. Now I think some of my purples are too much on the other side, so I'm going to be putting this here. Okay guys, so that is what we have, about 60 centimeters. That is what we have. So I'm going to leave the link of the stand in the description box below, and I will also leave the link where I got my flowers from. Alright guys, so this is how I create my beautiful centerpiece, and I will show you what it looks like on a table when decorated. Alright guys, so I hope that this video was helpful. Hope that you were able to learn something from it, and that is the beauty that we created, and I'm so excited about it. I'm glad that I was able to, you know, come on here to show you how you can create your own centerpiece and make your event look fabulous. Alright guys, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so, and leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to respond. Let us chat in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video.